Welcome to Davis Chevrolet. This is a brand new 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation in Summit White. Some of the features include automatic windows, towing, 4x4, automatic headlights, cruise control, heated steering wheel, phone compatibility, hands-free phone, hands-free media, push start ignition, AM, FM, navigation, AC, heated seats, cloth interior, and enough space to comfortably seat 5. So don't miss out on your brand new truck. Hurry into Davis Chevrolet today and book a test drive with one of our product specialists.